Go live in 5 clicks. Nothing to install, no accounts. Join me as I check out the new live streaming app called Melon. Have you ever gone live on YouTube? And have you been able to go live on YouTube and Facebook or another platform at the same time, being efficient with your time and focus on the topic that you're sharing? Hi, my name is Patricia Regier with Regier Educational Services. Today, I'm really excited to be sharing about Melon. It's a new streaming app from Logitech Streamlabs. And I was thrilled to be approached by Melon to test out their new product and let you know about it. So I'm going to be covering some different points about it, and future videos will also be showing you behind the scenes tutorials. I'm really excited to bring this to you. So going live, first of all, why do we do that? And some pros and cons about going live is that you don't have to necessarily edit. You do need to prep, but as you would for any video, but it does take out some of the work of potentially editing. Like this video right now is pre-recorded and edited, but I'm going to link some videos of when I went live with Melon, when I was testing it out for the first times and really taking a look around, navigating. I'm also going to add some video from those clips from the live past videos as well as upcoming tutorial videos, just to kind of give you a look at what I'm referring to. So going live definitely is a different way you can engage your audience. When we're engaging participants, whether it is a live training session, a workshop, there's some beauty about being live. So on Melon, you can also engage your audience during a live stream with the comments. So coming in from a couple platforms at the same time, 2 or 3 or more platforms at the same time. So that's really exciting. When you do a live stream, it is great to plan it ahead of time and let people know. A lot of times I just hop on and I don't have a regular weekly live session at this point. I will in the future. So whether it is a live workshop, you could, even through Zoom, stream that then to other platforms. The beauty about live streaming through a platform like Melon is that you're able to add some other elements that are really exciting that you can't do on every other platform. Now, there's definitely some other platforms that give you some similar options, and I was really pleased to be able to be offered the opportunity by Melon to test their product. They did, full disclosure, this is not a paid episode here on the YouTube channel, or if you're watching this through our blog or podcast. But they did upgrade me to their pro paid level so that I could really experience all of their options. So thank you so much to Melon for offering that option. So some of the things that are really exciting about Melon is they say you can go live in 5 clicks. So I tested it. First click, it's not necessarily including the login setup situation, and I will have tutorials about that too, showing you what happened. But you click to go live, you click YouTube. I clicked my Facebook page, business page, and my Facebook private group as well, and I'll link all of those down below too. And then you click next. And then you add in the title and description, and then you click go live. So those are 5 clicks, and that was pretty exciting. I suppose if you were only clicking one platform, you could consider the click to log in. But after I logged in, and then went back in and tested a couple times. Sometimes it would just come up right away on my computer and I didn't have to go through that process all the time. So it might depend on your your setups. So that was really good. And then if you are connected to video on LinkedIn, that is another option, or the custom options. I haven't tested yet if I'm able to connect through Instagram. So I will test that in the future too. So being able to go multi-stream on different platforms at the same time is really phenomenal. I love that. And being able to be interacting with comments on the different platforms at the same time is awesome. When it comes to going live on YouTube, it can be a little bit more complicated. So it is a platform like Melon that makes it so much simpler and easier to do. It's cloud-based, so they handle all of the processing to their servers and saves our machine resources, which is really handy too, especially if you're working remotely and depending on what device you're using, it's pretty handy. We can host private meetings, which is really exciting. I did love that I could share screen. So I can do that if I have a couple of visuals that I want to do that as well. And I can, in addition to that real-time chat on different platforms, it is really high quality. I love that it is 1080p HD streams for meetings. So I can even invite a guest onto the live stream and have an interview live, or invite different participants that are in the comments and have them join me. So that's really exciting. And I will definitely be testing more of that in the future and showing that as well, and demonstrating it. So being able to share screen, you can schedule it too. So you don't have to go just click and decide to go live right away. You can schedule them. So you can set up all of these different aspects of the live stream, get it ready to go, and then be able to schedule them. So then people are aware that it's coming up, which is really good. I did like too that I could have a ticker at the bottom. I'll show that right here too. I could have my email or name, website. So having those additional branding options, my logo as well. I was able to do all of those things and set that up ahead of time and not having to do that every time. So that's really handy. I can also turn off if I don't want the ticker banner to be going the whole time. I liked too that I could put sort of a picture. It's called a background. So I'm learning a little bit more about some of these aspects too. A lot of the platforms are pretty similar, and I really liked with Melon that it was easy to navigate and to explore what were the options. I could set up even a countdown, because it's always awkward when you go live. Has it cut off a moment? Can everybody hear when you click live on? So I really liked that option to be able to kind of have, count down by 10, and I could customize that and upload my own video or my own background or starting picture as well. So it really had some neat features that I liked. And when you are at the paid first level, you're able to add your own branding. So I will share a link below as well, a referral link to Melon, so you can check it out for yourself as well. So being able to record online or offline is really handy too. And, it just has so many great features. I'm really enjoying it. And I'm definitely excited about using it more often going forward and getting to the point where I regularly schedule live streams every week so that I could answer your questions. I would love to hear from you. Do you have any questions about this platform? Are there specific aspects you'd like me to show you with future tutorials, or anything that I haven't covered right now? Please comment below. If you would like and subscribe and comment and share, all of that really makes a difference to help with all the tutorials on this channel to be found by other people as well. So those aspects definitely make a difference. Again, my name is Patricia. Thanks for checking out this video. And I hope that you have a light bulb engaging moment today and that you're able to facilitate engaging learning experiences for your participants. Thanks again. Until next time.